Hello, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can access archived chats on ChatGPT. Now, first, I'm going to archive one of these chats. So what I'm going to do is, as you can see here, next to every chat here, you will be able to see three little dots here. So just click on them and then you want to click on archive. So now I have archived this chat. Now what I'm going to do to find it or to access the archived chats, you just need to click on your profile at the very bottom left. Now after that, you want to click on settings. Okay, so after you click on settings, you want to click on like data controls, as you can see here. Okay, so after you click that, you will be able to see your archived chats. Now you can archive all chats or you can view archived chats. You can just click on manage next to it and then you will be able to see the archived chats. As you can see, now I have archived 2 chats. As you can see, that's exactly how you can archive chats. Okay, how you can archive and also view archived chats. So now you can find them here. You can also unarchive this by clicking on this icon here, unarchive conversation next to every archived chat. Now hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment, so drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. See you in the next tutorial.